Good morning, friends. Today we talk about in this video, I will tell you why three-phase compressor takes more or highly amps. This compressor 600 LRA rated ampere 96 but actual 202. So I will tell you reason. This is a nameplate. It's mentioned 96 LRA. So please note this issue. So we start the video. If voltage one phase missing, then compressor takes high amps. Number one. Second, if voltage power cable loose, then compressor takes high amps. Number third, if the contactor is defective, if the output two phase is okay from the contactor, but the one phase is missing not output voltage from the contactor, then compressor takes high amps. Number four, if the compressor winding is defective. Number five, if the mechanical parts of the compressor are stuck, the compressor takes high amps. Number six, if someone by mistake overcharges the freon, the compressor takes high amps. Number seven, if the discharge valve is not fully open, the compressor takes high amps. Number eight, if the condenser motor is defective, the compressor takes high amps. Number nine, if the condenser coil is too dirty, then compressor takes high amps. Number 10, if the expansion valve is blockage, then compressors take high amps.